examiner asks a question in interview that these are the name, these are the type 1, and these are the speed of first day, and the speed of second day, and the speed of third day. So you should have to calculate median speed and who have minimum speed. So there is three speeds, the first, second, and third day. So there is 3 days speed has given, so we should have to calculate median. So for that I use is equal to median, and I have to calculate the median of first, second, and third day. So this is 23. So median of speed is 23. For calculating all the candidates speed, I drag this. So in this way it calculates that these are the median speed. Now second question asks from examiner that you should also calculate the minimum speed. So who have minimum speed? So the first day and the second day and the third day. So I use is equal to minimum min formula, and then so calculate all these 3 days speeds to have minimum day speed. So this is actually the minimum day speed. So for calculating all the members minimum speed, so I am dragging this, so it will automatically calculate that these are the minimum speed of every day. So in this way I give my answer so that my answer get good marks. So guys, if you want to learn more tricks, you should have to subscribe my channel.